The snow certainly threw a wrench in the Monday morning routine. Many schools across the state with delayed openings and drivers taking extra time out on the roads in those slippery conditions. Now, here in the northwest corner of the state, this area really got the brunt of the snow, which means cleanup starts earlier and lasts just a little bit longer. Our Fox 61 storm tracker capturing the conditions out on the roadways this morning. The main roads and highways staying clear thanks to the hard work from local DPW crews. It's really those side streets and neighborhoods we need to keep our eyes on, as those can take longer to clear and plow. Traveling through Hartford, Farmington, Burlington, Torrington, Goshen, and Litchfield, the snow accumulations differ from place to place, but the most snow seen in Torrington, Goshen, and Litchfield, which of course is where the roads are more snow covered and slippery. In Torrington, shovelers suiting up early to clear their properties. David Benson says he was prepared for this snowfall, and luckily the snow is a homeowner's dream, light and fluffy.
It's very powder. My small machine can take care of it. If I had to use shovels and do a foot, the snowblower can do it. So this is a breeze. It's New England. If you don't want to have snow, don't be here. Even though I'd love to have it just snow on Christmas Eve, make it white and beautiful, but that's not the way things work.
Not the way it works around here at all, but people were hard at work making the best of the conditions across the state. Plow drivers still seen out and about taking care of problem areas to make sure drivers stay safe. And for now, it's a pretty snow that some shovelers say are definitely getting them in the Christmas spirit, but you may not want to put those shovels too far away, as we could need them again very soon. In Litchfield, Lindsay Kane, Fox 61 News.